Well, hello everybody. I made the drive up to the island. I left at about 2:30 this morning. Got up here in what should be plenty of time to get my stuff onto the boat, get across to the island, and get to work. However, take a look outside. It's been pouring, lightning, windy. So I'm gonna have to make this my office for maybe the next 45 minutes or an hour and see what the weather's like. Fortunately, I'm up on top of a hill. I got a good cell signal and I can just connect my work laptop to my cell phone network and do some work that way. Got my coworker right beside me. She's probably eager to get to the cottage so she can use the bathroom, but we're just gonna have to wait. These are some of the trials and tribulations with having a island. 45 minutes later, it's still pouring rain. Isn't it? Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Fred. I'm just going to take a moment and show you the layout of the cottage here a little bit, show you the projects that I was working on. The one that I recently finished up is the back bedroom, and show you what the next project's going to be, which is going to be doing the hall in between the two bedrooms. So right up at the front of the cottage here, this is our kitchen area. It's kind of a older open concept style of cottage with a A-frame roof to it. Pretty spacious. It's about 24 by 30, this main part. And then as we take a little walk to the back, we got a little bedroom right here on the side. Just a little 10 by 12 or 10 by 10 kind of a bedroom. A couple of bunk beds in it and a double bed. And then back here, this is a project that I just recently finished. It's the smaller of the two back bedrooms. Just went through here, repainted everything, put new shiplap on, made a new door. The only thing I got to do yet is make up a couple of bifold doors, the same as the entrance door. And the next project is going to be redoing this hall. There's too many levels. None of the trim matches up. There's the barn board stuff on the bottom. Then this here is actually some kind of plastic. I guess they ran out of this other fiber board that's on this other side, so they just put on some kind of plastic. But none of it matches up. It just moves there, butts up against the old fiber board. So I'm going to pull all that stuff out of here, get rid of the barn board, and just drywall this whole hallway. And then hopefully, I'll be able to do something better with the trim instead of all these odds and ends of pieces of, I don't know. I love the bathroom. It's all done in cedar and gray fixtures. It's old, like it was quite a while ago when it was done, but it's really stood the test of time. It's got a nice heat lamp there. The exhaust fan works great. But the only thing I'm going to do in here is I'm going to replace the floor with a newer style of floor, and we'll put the same door on here that's going on the other one, so that barn style door. Other than that, I'm quite happy with the bathroom. And then eventually, you can see in this room here, this is the master bedroom. And this is going to get the same thing done to it as the other bedroom. So all of this stuff behind me here is going to get refastened, nail filled, painted white. And then the bottoms are going to get the shiplap put on just like the other bedroom. This is a great master bedroom. I mean, look what you get to wake up to every morning. That's awesome. All right, well, let's get started. First things first, get rid of this lovely picture. Maybe we'll put that up in this room here. A regular screwdriver? Seriously? Well, not much holding this stuff on, a couple of screws. At least I'll be able to reclaim some nice pine. I don't know what this stuff is. It's called York Bond, and it comes from a place in North York. www.y-m-s.net. It's like a hardboard, but I can see where the screws went through. There's like a layer of aluminum. There's a layer of hardboard in the middle with a layer of aluminum on either side that's coated white. Oh, it seems like this and the 50,000 sticks to cover joints, it seems like a lot of work just to do what drywall could have easily done. But, well, as you can see, things are moving right along here. Been pulling out all the boards, denailing everything, getting rid of this fiber board. I can see I'm going to have some extra space down here, which is going to really help the trim situation out around the doors, so that's going to look nice in the end. Not sure if I'm leaving this strapping on. I may be leaving that on, but otherwise things are looking good. I was kind of surprised. I would have thought oh yeah, definitely been some mice down there. With the day's work done, it's important to be able to get outside and enjoy some nature. Tonight, I take a cruise up a side channel where there are a couple of beaver dams. These beaver dams are quite old but still in use. As I pull into the bay at the end of the channel, a couple of beavers protest my intrusion by smacking their tails on the water's surface. Off the beaten path and away from people, there are signs in the mud that many animals come to drink and forage at the water's edge. Beavers in this area have long since been trapped for their pelts, but with a decline in demand for fur, the population of beaver has increased. It's not uncommon for property owners to come up to their properties only to find that a tree has been felled by a beaver and just left there. That said, it's always a pleasure to watch the beavers as they swim, play, and work around their lodges. What's interesting here is that there are two beaver dams, one on top of the other. The first dam holds back about 3 or more feet of water. The top dam holds back at least 5 feet of water. Standing this close to the bottom of the dam gives you an eerie feeling. If this dam were to let go, the torrent of water would be incredible. If the top dam let go, it's unlikely the bottom would be able to hold the flow and give away also. This would cause a flood of at least 8 feet of water to enter the channel, washing me away in the process. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and look forward to the next video where I finish up the hall renos and start the renovations in the master bedroom.